Some languages have a special control structure called switch or case or something like that allows you to select from multiple choices of a single variable. Python doesn't have one. So we're going to take a look at one particular strategy where you can do this very easily within Python, and you'll see that it's not necessarily a weakness in the language, it's just a different way of looking at things. So we'll go ahead and make a working copy of switch.py. We'll call it switch working. We'll open our working copy, and we'll start by declaring a dictionary. I'll call it choices. And we'll just put in a few choices here. 1, first, 2, second, 3, and we'll declare a variable. And then we'll select based on that variable. So when I save this and run it, you'll see that we have selected 1 and we print it out first. And if I change this to, say, 3, save that and run it, it'll say third. So here we've been able to very easily select based on a number of choices, and we could make this a very long list if we wanted to. And we can add things and delete things from the list and change things in the list, and this will all work exactly as expected. The one thing this does not do well is if I select something that's not in the list, you'll see that we get an error. Save that and run it. Of course, we can trap this error with try and except, or there's an even easier way to do this. We can use the get method of the dictionary object. Say get v, comma, and then I can put in a default result. And I can say other. And so what that does is it looks for v in the dictionary, and if it doesn't find it, it gives you back this value. So I save that and run it. You'll see we get other because we have 7. But if I put in 5, then I'll get fifth. Save and run, and there's fifth. So this is a very simple way to do what most people use switch statements for. And you'll see some other examples, including an example of executing code based on multiple choices later on in the course.